Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the watch history feature on the YouTube app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and open that up. Select the gear icon in the top right. On the left side underneath Account, select where it says Manage All History. Select the Controls tab, and then go underneath YouTube History. If it says it's currently off, go ahead and select the Turn On button, and then it will enable YouTube History going forward. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.